Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can truly enhance your safety on the road, the MAXXHAUL 51018 Oval Reflectors. We found this product online and added the link in the description below so you can check its latest price and availability. The MAXXHAUL 51018 is an 8-pack of oval reflectors, designed specifically for trucks, RVs, campers, and even hitch-mounted accessories like bike racks or cargo carriers. Each pack includes 4 red and 4 amber reflectors, providing you with versatile options to enhance visibility wherever you need it. One of the standout features of these reflectors is their enhanced visibility. They're designed to provide instant visibility for your vehicle, ensuring that it can be seen from up to 100 feet away. This is especially important for those driving larger vehicles or towing trailers, as visibility is key to safety during both day and night. Installation is another area where the MAXXHAUL reflectors shine. Each reflector comes with pre-drilled mounting holes, allowing for a secure and permanent installation. If you prefer a quicker setup, the self-adhesive backing lets you place them on any flat surface without the need for tools. This means you can get them up and running in no time, whether you're looking to enhance your truck's safety features or adding them to your RV for additional peace of mind. Measuring 4 3/8 inches by 2 inches, these reflectors are compact yet durable. They're crafted from materials that can withstand various weather conditions, making them suitable for long-term use. Their universal fit means they can be applied to a wide range of vehicles and equipment, from trailers and trucks to campers and bike racks. Now, who would benefit from using these reflectors? If you're a truck or RV owner, or if you frequently tow trailers or use bike racks and cargo carriers, these reflectors are an essential addition to your safety toolkit. They're perfect for anyone who travels frequently, especially in low-light conditions, since they enhance visibility for other drivers. In practical terms, these reflectors can be used in various scenarios. For instance, if you're parked on the side of the road or in a campground, having these reflectors can alert other drivers to your presence, helping to prevent accidents. Additionally, if you're towing a trailer or using a cargo carrier, adding these reflectors can make your entire setup more visible, giving you extra confidence while on the road. In summary, the MAXXHAUL 51018 oval reflectors are a smart investment for anyone looking to improve vehicle safety and visibility. With their durable construction, versatile installation options, and compliance with DOT standards, these reflectors are designed to keep you safe on your journeys. Thanks for watching. If this video helped